To create this design, you need to add a circle and go with 32 word circle. Then scale it along the y-axis. Then select these words and delete them. Then select these words and press F to fill the gap. Then Shift A, add a circle, and this time add a 16 word circle. Scale down this. Select this word, snap 3D cursor to it. Select this circle, snap to 3D cursor. Adjust the scale and position. Then select this circle, press F to fill the gap. Then select these two objects and join them. Select this word and select this word and merge at last. Then select this words and merge at the center. Then add two loop cuts here and then select this words, merge at last. Select this face and use the insert operation. Select this word and Ctrl B, add bevel on it like this. Dissolve this edges. Use the knife tool and create cut like this and dissolve this edge. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the y-axis. Select these edges and press F to fill the gap. Then select this words, Ctrl B and V, add bevel on it like this. And dissolve these edges. Select these words and press J to connect them. Dissolve this edge. Connect these words and dissolve this edge. And take the symmetry. Then Shift A, mesh, add a circle and add a 32 word circle and scale it down and press F to fill the gap. Go to the edit mode, select everything and E to extrude it and move it along the Z axis. Then select this object and go to the edit mode, select everything and E to extrude it and move it along the Z axis. Then select these two objects and use the Boolean operation union. Apply the Boolean modifier and delete the cutter object. Change the transform point to 3D cursor, then select everything, S3, give the value 0. And then select everything, press M and merge by distance, so double words will get merged. Now select these words and merge at last. Then dissolve this edge. Select this face, use the insert operation. Select this face, Shift D to duplicate it and press P to make a separate object and hide that circle. Select this face and use the insert operation. Then use the knife tool and create cut along the y-axis. Select these faces and delete them. Select these edges and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Then select these words and merge at last. Select these edges and use the set flow on them. Select this face and delete it. And select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry. Use the insert operation and delete it. Unhide this circular part. Scale it down like this. Then select these two objects and join them. Select this edges and press F to fill the gap. Select this face, use the insert operation. Select this word and move it along the z-axis. Select these edges and press F to fill the gap. Use the knife tool and create cut along the x-axis. Dissolve this edge. Select this edge and S, Y and give the value 0. Then select everything and use the insert operation. And then add supportive loop cuts like this. Select everything, press M and merge by distance. Select these faces and delete them. Then select everything and E to extrude it. Select these faces and delete them. Then hit Ctrl 2 and add the subd modifier and shade smooth it. Then add loop cut like this. Select this face and delete it. Select everything, move it along the z-axis. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the z-axis. Then select this edge loop and this edge loop. Right click breach edge loop. Select this edge loop and add bevel on it. Shift factor should be 1. Select this face loop. Shift D to duplicate it. Press P to make a separate object. Select everything. Move it along the z-axis. Take the symmetry along the z-axis. Select this edge loops and right click breach edge loop. Select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Select this face loop and extrude along the normal. Isolate it and select this edge loops and add bevel on them. Then select these faces, use the insert operation and right click breach faces. Select this edge and Ctrl V, add bevel on it. Add one segment bevel and then add bevel on these edges. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Select everything, press Alt and recalculate the normal. And this is how you can create this kind of design. You can see the form and you can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.